Hello friends, the topic of this video is data cleaning in data warehouse. So let us see what is data cleaning, why it is needed and how to do it. So in data warehouse, the data is coming from various sources. It can come from database, it can come from Excel file, it can come from Word file, Notepad file, WordPad file. So there can be combination of structured data and unstructured data. Now structured data means the data which is arranged in the form of rows and columns. Unstructured, if you take the example of database table or Excel file, the data is arranged in the form of rows and columns. But if you take the Word file, the data is arranged in the form of sentences. So this is not structured data, it is called as unstructured data. Since the data is coming from various sources, we have to integrate it and we have to convert it into one unique format here at this stage. So you can say this is data integration, where the data is integrated from various sources and then it is loaded into data warehouse. Now, since the data is coming from various sources, there can be redundant data, there can be duplicate data, there can be missing value. So, but that data is not acceptable. We cannot load that type of data into the data warehouse. So we have to clean the data. Now what we have to do? First of all, we have to identify duplicate data. If there is redundant data, we have to remove it. We have to apply some convention. So let us see the data cleaning. Now, what are the steps for data cleaning? So when data cleaning is applied, once the data is integrated at one place, we have to apply the procedure of data cleaning. So first is we have, what are the steps for data cleaning? So first step is we have to remove duplicate value. So all the duplicate value should be removed. So if there are duplicate value unnecessary, it will accommodate the space and then uh, we cannot properly do the analysis of redundant data. So that's why the first step is we have to remove duplicate value, then fix structural error. ST structural errors. Now what is structural error? Sometimes if the data is not applicable, we are writing NA, somewhere it is writing not applicable. So we have to apply some convention. So whenever you found not applicable, we have to replace it by NA. So that type of error is known as structural error. So another example I will give is, suppose someone is writing the spelling Agrawal, someone is writing the A double G R A W A L A. So the surname is same, surname is Agrawal. So we have to convert it into one unique format. So we can say this AGRAWL is proper surname. So that is nothing but we are fixing it, the structural error. Third is fix or filter unwanted outlier. Now what is outlier? Outlier means the data which does not satisfy the condition. The example is, suppose there is a class of 60 students, 59 students are wearing yellow t-shirt and one student is wearing white t-shirt, so that white t-shirt is nothing but outlier. In the same way, so in the data also you will find there are outlier which does not satisfy or which does not fit. So we have to identify which is the outlier data and then we can simply ignore it or remove it. Then fourth is handle missing data. Handle missing data. Now what is missing data? In table, if you take the example of table, there are some cells are blank. Suppose there is serial number or sequence number, serial number 1, 2, 4, 5, 7. So these cells are blank. So here we can guess this can be 3, this can be 6. So that is nothing but missing value. But it is very simple value. It is very tedious task to guess the value. Sometimes the guess can be wrong also. So that's why it is very difficult task to handle the missing value. What we can do, we can simply ignore it. Then ignore the tuple. There are some tuple which we can ignore it. Means some attributes are not required in the table which we can easily ignore it, so that type of cleaning we can do. So these are the main 5 steps where we have to take caution for data cleaning. So first is we have to remove the duplicate value, fix the structural error, then unwanted outlier should be removed, then handle the missing data and ignore the tuple. So now next is where the data cleaning is applied. So data cleaning is applied at the data integration phase where the data is coming from various sources. Mainly it is applied in data integration, and secondly it is applied at data transformation. So what is data transformation? When the data is converted from one format to another format, that step is known as data transformation. So at this step also we can apply the data cleaning. So that's it for this video. I do hope you understand what is data cleaning, why it is needed, and what is its important. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, then please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.